Before I get started with this video today, I just want everyone to smash that like button, get it to at least 200 likes. Been noticing a lot of people watching the content, not liking the video. Just like it to let others know, so we can get the video across to everyone. But yeah, let's start with the video today. It's a quick, short video. Go to this link. I'm gonna show you it's working before I get started, and yeah. Before I don't want to get down for copyright, so I'm just gonna quickly show you the start of the video. Yeah, it's all working, and yeah, that's all you gotta do. Quick description. Well, the link won't be in the descriptions because I want everyone to watch this video to the end. Like it, smash it, and yeah, peace.